KLM Boeing 7730ER hit by crosswind gusts just before landing. Air New Zealand ATR 72600 faces sudden engine fire on short final.
Oh, holy cow. Smoking. Oh my goodness. Whoa. It's crazy. Oh my goodness, look at it.
Sun-class Airbus A321 struggles with severe wind shear, resulting in hard landing. Watch Cal Fire C-130, Hercules drop fire retardant on California wildfire. Emirates Airbus A380 flexes wings through moderate turbulence on approach. Cathay Pacific Airbus A330-300 rejects. Take off after engine failure. China Airlines Airbus A330-300 flies low over spectators before touchdown. Wizz Air Airbus A321-200 retires landing gear during low pass.